What really happened? Was it planned? Was there a cover-up attempt? And was it legal? Inquiring minds want to know.
Hey everybody, it's Brother Scott here, Kid Pacey 72. This is my video response to Big Brother D there, Brother DESTRUCTO. Got tagged in one of his videos on the Sounds of Your EDC. So I got a couple of things here I want to show you. Just tell me what you think about this. Let's see. First thing, I'm gonna stand up first so you can see. I'm wearing shorts, you know, looking pretty fly with my shorts on here, even in the middle of winter, because that's how we roll. So, first thing, let's see, keys. Always sporting the Night Eyes clips, you know. Keys. Seems to make a lot of sound there. You know, got my flint striker and Sharpie knife sharpener there, dual purpose. Oh, let me see here. What else I got? Oh, everybody's got their phone, you know. Of course, like any phone. I would say, you know, hey, like Mr. Mega Simon there. Mr. Mega Simon 999. Of course, you can pretty much make them make any pretty sound you want, you know, so that's definitely a sound. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, light. Hoping you all can hear that. Says that. Oh yeah. Nice. Definitely make some sound. What else we got here? Let me see. Let me see. Where should we go with this? Huh? Oh, wait. What? What? Oh, hold on here. What we got here? Oh! Not something that makes a whole lot of sound. But, you know. This, my friends, is one of those little match holders, you know, waterproof match containers. The reason why it looks the way it does is I actually have 150 feet of spider wire on this. This here is actually my emergency fishing kit. Little bobber. Hey, look, the bobber makes sound too. What do you know? I just have to put that right there. I'll put the bobber here on the side. What else we got here? What else? Oh, some char cloth. But hey, I think that bag makes sound. Does that count? Does that work for you? I think it does. Why would I carry this though every day? Because it goes well with the flint striker. Gotta be able to make fire. Glasses. Who shouldn't carry glasses? You know, these here are my black flies, and they make some sound. Just if you had to, hey, that's because they're solid. Why? Because they're black flies, baby. What else we got here? Oh, hey. How about this right here? What is this? This is my fire piston. I'm gonna get up really close to this one. What was that? Ooh, does that count? Does that count, Brother D, right there? How about this one? Do it one more time. Just vapor pin right there. Ooh, I think that makes sound, right? And this is diamond charcoal wood. Pretty solid. Pretty beautiful. Let's put that right there. What else? What else? What else? What? Oh, hey, something everybody should have. Of course, their wallet. Yeah, wallets don't make much. Sounds like lips flapping in the wind. Oh! Yeah, I know that don't count, but hey, you know. That works. Works for me. Thank you. Thank you, brother D. Thank you for the nice smile right there. Because you know it does work, huh? What else do I got? What else? What else? Oh, hey, look at that. Sporting a little pocket here. What do I got? What is it? What is it? Oh, hey. Now, come on. Everybody should have a lighter. Whether it's a nice, beautiful Zippo, or whether it's just a straight dick lighter. Flame is flame. I think that counts too, right? That is noise. That is. And hey, when things are down and it's really cold and you're trying to get a fire going and this gets it, that is one of the most beautiful sounds you can hear, along with that look. You got to admit, that is a great, beautiful sound. Everybody wants to hear that sound. You go, oh, fire. I don't think we're done with that pocket, though. What is this? Ooh. Look at that box cutter. I carry a box cutter with me everywhere, baby. I think that makes sound. Does that work? I hope so. Because, hey, why not? Works for me. Ooh, what's this? Damn, Brother Scott, that's a lot to carry, huh? I carry this with me everywhere. I never leave the house without this. Come a little light. I don't know if you can hear that. Let me get a little close. Ooh. Got another knife sharpener. This plastic housing. I think that works. Of course, everybody should carry one of these can openers, man. This is beautiful. Side note. Something everybody should remember. You should always put something on this because this thing flapping around will tear the heck out of your pants. If you got it in a pack or anything, you should always keep something. Just a little something on this. Keep it on the side. Okay, but hey. I think that makes noise too. What else we got here? Oh, hey, look at this. What is this? Another little self-contained emergency kit right here. Hey, you hear that? I think that makes noise. Another kit. A little quick kit. In case of emergency, always on my side. I think that makes noise. Now, we already know that it makes noise when you're turning it. Oh yeah. What is this? Fire tinder all the time. Impregnated cotton. What else do we have here? Let's see. We got Doan's magnesium bar. That definitely makes noise. Definitely. Let me see. Oh, another one we know definitely makes noise. Might make noise here, but definitely. Hey, whistle, we know that's an obvious noisemaker, right? But what about this? This is soft. This seems really quiet. Doesn't make any noise, I don't think. Wait. I hear it. You hear it? Do you hear that? Wait. Wait for it. Wait for it. What is that sound? It makes noise. I think I'm going to leave this out. I'm going to hang it on the side here. Plenty of noise. I know there's a couple other things here. What do I got? What do I got here? What is that? What? Huh. It's my hopping nail. Can you guys hear that? That definitely makes a little bit of noise. Let's make some better noise there for you. What else do we got here? My Kershaw. My main defensive blade. That make noise. I think that works, right? Does that make noise? Make noise for you like? That works, right? Definitely. Wait a minute. Wait for it. I think that made noise coming out of the pocket. Did you guys hear that? What is this? My Spyderco Endura, baby. Had this knife since 1998. Given to me by a very dear friend of mine who I no longer get to see, but I put this knife through hell and back, and that's definitely still making noise. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, beautiful. One more time. Oh yeah, that's nice. Definitely makes some noise. Wow. Oh, I almost forgot. I got one more thing. One more thing right here. That didn't really make any noise, right? Make some noise. A little bit if I bang it around. You guys hear that? Look at that. It's my Triumph. Triumph neck, right there, brother. By Columbia River Knife Tool. Definitely think that makes some noise. Huh. You'd think this is all done, right? Got one more thing for you guys. First, safety first. Make sure these are all closed. Hey. Haha, bonus noise. Let me go to as far as making sure that I put the bobber back in where it belongs here. What else do I got here? How about this, brother? Check it out. We could do this move right here. There's a reason why it's a bag. It's okay for a man to carry a bag. Trust me. Trust me on this.
The only way to bag a classy lady is to give her 2 tickets to the gun show.